At Talk to the Mic 747 tips and tricks for managing the flatbed lifestyle. This is a quick short on how to handle the sleeper berth heat going out on you. As you can see, I am not freezing in that truck. I am cozy in a hotel. And what am I doing? Well, today is, just so you know, I said I was going to do this video the 9th of January, and it's about 6:26 p.m. We are preparing for tomorrow's day. We're going to be fed well. We're not eating that truck stop mess. Y'all know how I roll. I don't mess with that truck stop mess. We might not even eat the hotel breakfast because we're going to have enough food for this evening, tomorrow, and a few days into the future. And gentlemen, so this is what you do when the heat is out in the sleeper berth and you got to be warm. Take care of yourself, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, drivers and motorists in general, and anybody watching please like, share, subscribe. Thumbs up, y'all. Be safe. Thank you.